Hi Pixelers, grab your pencils and paper because today we're going to draw a stingray. For this drawing, we'll need black colored pencil and gray colored pencil. This drawing is 20 squares tall by 28 squares wide. Let's start by skipping 9 squares from top to the bottom. On the square number 10, we'll mark 1 with black color. Up to the right 5 horizontally. Down to the right 3 horizontally. Down to the right 3 horizontally. Up to the right 1. Up to the right 2 horizontally. Up to the right 6 horizontally. Down to the right 2 diagonally. From this square up to the left 1. Up to the left 2 horizontally. Up to the left 1. Up to the left 4 vertically. From this square up to the left 1. Up to the left 3 horizontally. Up to the left 2 diagonally. From this square down to the right 4 diagonally. From this square, skip 2 squares to the right and mark 1. Down to the right 2 vertically. Down to the right 3 vertically. Down to the right 1. Down to the right 5 horizontally. Down to the right 1. Down to the right 3 horizontally. Down to the right 4 horizontally. Up to the right 2 horizontally. Up to the right 3 diagonally. Up to the right 3 vertically. Up to the right 2 vertically. Up to the right 8 vertically. Up to the left 2 diagonally. Down to the left 2 vertically. Down to the left 2 vertically. Down to the left 2 diagonally. From this square up to the left 2 vertically. At the level of the square down to the left 1. From this square, skip 2 square up and mark 2 horizontally. From this square, up 1. Now let's paint all the square we marked. I want to invite you to subscribe and activate the notification bell to automatically join the Pixelados Club. Now take the gray color and from this square up to the right 1. Down to the right 3 horizontally. From this square up 2 vertically. At the level of the square up to the right 2 horizontally. From this square to the right 3 horizontally. Up to the right 2 horizontally. From this square up 3 vertically. At the level of the square up to the right 2 horizontally. From this square, skip 1 square up and mark 1. And now let's paint all the square we marked and also these areas. In the top corner you will find the links to my other channels. I see you over there. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like and comment below if you like the Stingrays. Thank you very much Pixelados for being here in a new video. Sending you a huge hug full of love. I'm Paito and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!